Hello everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to make money on FlipApp. So let's get started. So first of all, if you wanna know, yes, you can make money on the FlipApp, and it is actually a lot better than what most people expect. So FlipApp is basically like TikTok, but it has two main differences: that you can get paid by either using your views or by your products. So the first phase, views. So you make money on your views by your first 30 days on this app. So most creators generally earn around $10 to $25 per 1,000 views. And now the second way is by your products. So if someone buys a product using your video, you'll get a small percentage back, which is a commission. Now this can be anywhere from 5 to 10% of the product's price. Now the catch here is that you can only review those products that you have actually bought from the Flip app itself, making your views authentic. So to actually start posting on Flip, first you'll have to buy a product, and then you can start making content around that product. You can also earn discounts while watching videos. So as you watch more videos, you get something called a discount credit. So when you finally buy your first product, you'll get a heavy discount. So the obligation where you first have to buy a product using the Flip app, and then only you get the option to review that product, is so that the reviews always remain authentic and they are trustworthy. With consistent effort, many creators are earning anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.